In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed a shoppable Instagram gallery on your Wix website. This will not only add visual appeal to your online presence, but also allow your website visitors to purchase directly from your Instagram posts. Let's get started. Our first stop is the Instagram platform. But remember, this has to be done on a desktop browser for it to work properly. So, open up your preferred browser and navigate to Instagram. Once there, find the Instagram post that you wish to embed into your Wix website. It could be a post showcasing your newest product or one that has received a good number of likes and comments. On the top right of the post, you'll see 3 dots aligned vertically. This is essentially the options menu for the individual post. So, give that a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll select the Embed option. This will open up a new window that has a chunk of HTML code. That's the embed code for your Instagram post, and you're going to copy that. You'll notice there's an option that says Include Caption. If you don't want your post's original caption to appear on your Wix site, you can deselect this option before copying the embed code. Now that we have the embed code, let's steer towards the Wix editor. In the editor, you'll find the Add button represented by a plus sign. Click on this and it'll show a list of options to add different elements to your website page. Scroll through those options and select Embed. Under the Embed menu, choose Embed HTML. This is where our previously copied embed code comes in. Hit the Enter Code button and you will be presented with a text box. Paste the Instagram embed code into this. After pasting, you can adjust how your Instagram post will display on your Wix site. You have the freedom to resize and reposition the embedded post to match your web page layout. You can replicate this process if you want to embed more individual posts from your Instagram to create a gallery-like viewing experience on your website. Finally, click Publish to save all these changes you've made. And just like that, you have successfully embedded a shoppable Instagram post on your Wix website, adding an extra avenue for sales and customer engagement. Enjoy the increased interactivity this brings to your website visitors, and potentially the increased sales.